We're here at McFarland State Bank. Did you know this bank is one of 2 financial institutions here in the village? We're going to go in and talk with Steve Swanson, president of the bank. Come with me. Steve, there's some very interesting history here at McFarland State Bank. Can you tell me about that?
Well, we started in 1904, much the same as most community banks did back in those days. Really, the needs of the community needed to be met by a local financial institution, and a small group of businessmen got together and started the bank with a small amount of capital and really remained profitable even during times of the tough times of the Great Depression. We stayed as a single bank location all the way through 2011 when we acquired another bank based in Stoughton, and we now have 2 locations in Stoughton, one in McFarland and one in Sun Prairie.
And you've been involved in a lot of projects here in the village. Share some of those with me.
Well, CEO David Locke was instrumental in bringing a diamond interchange into McFarland, and we also sold our old bank building to the village of McFarland, which they subsequently turned into a library. We also we're one of the lead donors to the Larson House, which is a historic home in McFarland that's under renovation at this time.
And you have a lot of diversified services. Explain some of the services that you do provide.
We are a bank that serves the needs of both consumers and business people. Right now, our total assets are about $450 million. That represents, the majority of that $450 million in assets is represented with commercial loans. We also provide all the normal consumer products that one would expect from a bank. But about 15-20 years ago, we decided to get into the mortgage business, and that created a very large retail presence. We're now one of the largest mortgage lenders in Dane County, and with roughly just under $300 million in assets that we serve there. So we really are very diversified now in our footprint in the banking industry.
What would you say separates you from other financial institutions?
Well, I would say the number one thing is our local decision making. Most of the banks, the larger national and regional banks, the decision making is done outside of the area that they serve. With us being headquartered in McFarland, our decisions are made right here, so our turnaround time is very quick, whether it be on a loan or deposit account transaction. We really try and follow the same model in our branches and empower our employees in each of our branches to be able to make decisions so our customers can get their needs taken care of in very short order.
Well, it's very clear that McFarland State Bank uses innovative and creative services, and that you listen to your customers' dreams, partner with them through the journey beginning to end. You make dreams into realities. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
McFarland State Bank, McFarland Branch, is located at 5990 US Highway 51 in McFarland. Call us or find us online at msbonline.com. McFarland State Bank, community banking since 1904.